For the bird dog dumbbell row, you're going to grab a dumbbell and extend the opposite leg for which the dumbbell is being held. You're going to have a nice straight line from your head to your ankle with the bottom foot's toe pointing into the bench. You are then going to row with a neutral head, neutral posture, as high up as you can without your shoulder dumping forward, and then you are going to control it back down. You are going to do both sides of the body, always lifting the opposite leg in order to achieve this. As you can see, John's keeping a straight posture throughout the whole movement.